Nothing personal, but your computer screen is probably filthy. Same for your television. Dust, debris, smudges, they build up. Chemical cleaning solutions can mar a screen's protective finish. Paper towels often scratch. And wiping expensive, state-of-the-art screens with your t-shirt won't cut it. Norwex has the solution. Our new Tech Cleaning Cloth is designed to thoroughly clean and polish all your electronic screens, removing up to 99% of bacteria. Made of silky, tightly woven microfiber, the Tech Cleaning Cloth glides across screens, removing fingerprints, dirt, and whatever that gunk is, without scratching. On the back, silicone dots make for an easy-to-hold, non-slip grip. The Tech Cleaning Cloth comes with a metal carrying case for spotless tech support wherever you go. Only from Norwex. A clean home, a clean conscience. The bathroom is the most popular room in the house, until it's not. Candles and conventional air fresheners merely fog the air with artificial scents, often containing toxic chemicals, many linked to serious health issues like hormone disruption. Norwex has a solution. Our new toilet spray tackles bad smells at the source. Simply spritz the bowl before taking a seat. Toilet Spray's citrusy blend of essential oils creates a barrier to trap odors before they start. The bathroom smells fresh and stays open for business. And Norwex Toilet Spray is free from harmful chemicals like phthalates and parabens that can compromise our health and contaminate waterways. Every bathroom deserves Norwex Toilet Spray. And the convenient size is ready to go when you're on the go and need to go. Breathe easy with Norwex Toilet Spray. For other stinky situations, check out our entire collection of odor-fighting products: Odor Eliminator, Sportzyme, essential oils, fragrance disc, and vent clips. A clean home, a clean conscience.